All right, so we are back. I had to start a new recording. Hopefully we all have our equation written down. From here, we can put each one of those into our calculator. Make sure to use your fraction option. So alpha y equals fraction. Enter this in, hit enter, and our first answer is 0.387. When we enter our second one into the calculator, we get negative 1.721. So we still are able to find our solutions even if they're not perfect whole numbers. All right, so that is the end of our notes. As long as you fill in the correct number in place of A, B, and C, all you have to do is type it into your calculator. Turn to page 18 and let's look at one of our problems from the homework before you get started on your own. So number 6 at the top of page 18. Always, first things first, identify A, B, and C. A is a positive 3, B, negative 6, C, positive 9. Now replace your A, B, and C. If you forget, look at the very first page of your notes and it'll have your letters in there. B, B, A, C, A. We have our negative parenthesis. What goes inside of it? Negative 6. Negative 6, 3, 9, 3. From here, enter everything in the radical into your calculator. Square root, parenthesis, negative 6 squared, minus 4, parenthesis, 3, parenthesis, 9. My calculator gave me an arrow. So I'm going to enter this again into my calculator without my square root. Just parenthesis, negative 6 squared, minus 4, parenthesis 3, parenthesis 9, and hit enter. You should get negative 72. So now our equation looks like this. Negative times negative is positive, so I have a positive 6, plus or minus the square root of negative 72, all over 2 times 3, which is 6. We've talked about this before. It's impossible to take the square root of a negative number. It is impossible. So make that note. Reminder. You cannot square root a negative number. So what does that mean? Our solution is no solution. How do you know for sure if it's no solution? If you get an error when you type it into your calculator, try it again without the radical and see if you got a negative number. It's always possible that maybe we entered something incorrect, so always try again, because I will want this to be on your paper to prove that you think it's a no solution. Now let's look at number 5. I'm going to begin number 5 for you, and then you will finish it. First, identify A, B, and C. -2, +6, +4. Now you just have to put those numbers in the correct spot. B, B, A, C, A. 6, 6, -2, 4, -2. When you put that into your calculator, that answer goes right here, plus or minus your answer. -6, 2 times -2, -4. So go ahead and put this radical into your calculator and put your answer, and then finish this problem with the two versions, the positive and the negative. So you see nothing changed. I still have -6 plus divided by -4, and -6 minus divided by -4. And then find those answers. Once you finish that, go back to page 17 and complete 1 through 4.